Hey everyone, welcome back to Vocab Vista. Today we're diving into 10 advanced English phrases that will make you sound smarter, more fluent, and more like a native speaker. Whether you're preparing for an exam, a job interview, or just want to impress your friends, these phrases are a must-know. I'll explain each phrase, its meaning, and how to use it in real-life situations. Plus, I'll give you examples so you can start using them right away. Let's get started. Here are the 10 phrases, their meanings, and how you can present them. 1. Bite the bullet, meaning to endure a painful or difficult situation bravely. Explanation. This phrase comes from the old practice of giving soldiers a bullet to bite on during surgery to help them endure the pain. Today, it means facing a tough situation head-on. Example, I didn't want to do my taxes, but I decided to bite the bullet and get it over with. Issue 2. Spill the beans, meaning to reveal a secret or share information that was supposed to be kept private. Explanation. Imagine someone accidentally knocking over a jar of beans. Everything spills out. That's where this phrase comes from. Example. I was planning a surprise party for my friend, but my sister spilled the beans and told her about it. 3. Hit the sack, meaning to go to bed or go to sleep. Explanation. This phrase comes from the old days when mattresses were filled with sacks of hay or cotton. When you're tired, you hit the sack to rest. Example, I'm exhausted after work today. I'm going to hit the sack early. 4. Piece of cake, meaning something that is very easy to do. Explanation. Think about how easy it is to eat a piece of cake. That's where this phrase comes from. Example, the math test was a piece of cake. I finished it in 20 minutes. 5. Break the ice, meaning to do or say something to make people feel more comfortable in a social situation. Explanation. Imagine a frozen lake. Breaking the ice allows people to move freely. Similarly, this phrase means starting a conversation to make things less awkward. Example. At the networking event, I told a joke to break the ice and everyone started laughing. 6. Under the weather, meaning feeling sick or unwell. Explanation. This phrase comes from sailors who would go below deck, under the weather, when they felt sick during a storm. Example. I'm feeling a bit under the weather today, so I'm going to stay home and rest. 7. Let the cat out of the bag, meaning to reveal a secret accidentally. Explanation. This phrase comes from old markets where people would sell piglets in bags. Dishonest sellers would sometimes replace the piglet with a cat, and if the cat got out, the secret was revealed. Example. I wasn't supposed to tell anyone about the promotion, but I accidentally let the cat out of the bag. 8. Burn the midnight oil, meaning to work late into the night. Explanation. Before electricity, people used oil lamps to work at night. If you were burning the midnight oil, you were working very late. Example. I have a big project due tomorrow, so I'll be burning the midnight oil tonight. 9. Cost an arm and a leg, meaning something that is very expensive. Explanation. This phrase humorously suggests that something is so expensive, it's like giving up a body part to afford it. Example. The new iPhone costs an arm and a leg, but I really want it. 10. On the ball, meaning to be alert, efficient, and quick to understand things. Explanation. This phrase comes from sports, where being on the ball means being ready to act quickly. Example. Our new manager is really on the ball. She fixed the problem before anyone even noticed it. So let's quickly recap the 10 phrases we learned today. 1. Bite the bullet. 2. Spill the beans. 3. Hit the sack. 4. Piece of cake. 5. Break the ice. 6. Under the weather. 7. Let the cat out of the bag. 8. Burn the midnight oil. 9. Cost an arm and a leg. 10. On the ball. These phrases are super useful in everyday conversations, so start using them today. Okay, now it's your turn. Which of these phrases is your favorite? Try using one in the comments below, and I'll reply to as many as I can. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Vocab Vista for more advanced English lessons. See you in the next video.